Hi, I'm Barbara Sprenger with Satellite Deskworks and the Satellite Centers. We're about ready to open after the long COVID shutdown. We hope within the next few weeks, and we wanted to share some tips and basically a structure for the pieces you need to reopen. And yes, we understand that you may have seen several webinars and might be overwhelmed by the information, but what you need for co-working can be straightforward. Here it is on one page, although we'll certainly give you more detail. Basically, you want to assume someone will come in who has COVID and they may not know it. How will your other members stay safe? The virus is easily transmissible, but it takes a certain number of viruses to become ill, and you want to ensure that sufficient particles aren't reaching others. We will look at disinfecting, use of masks, de-densifying, traffic flow, airflow, and communications, and of course, software. We're excited to receive our shipment of nanoseptic sleeves for our door handles, crash bars, and coffee pot arms. You can see them in the picture. These sleeves have nanoparticles that act as a catalyst with light to continuously sterilize. They're a great way to protect your highest touch areas. Second, a simple bleach and water solution, 1 cup of bleach to 5 gallons of water, or a CDC-approved disinfectant that you know kills coronavirus, should be sprayed on surfaces that multiple people may touch, like your hot desking areas when someone leaves. You should definitely have hand sanitizer by the front door. We've also decided to use China cups for coffee since we can sterilize these in the dishwasher rather than paper cups where someone might touch a second cup when they take one. And lastly, in your reservation software, allow people to reserve specific spaces so you can advertise that these spaces are disinfected before they come in. We're requiring people to wear masks when they come into the center and when they are walking around. This is when they may come in contact with others. Find your local janitorial supply house. They may be able to sell you masks, disinfectants, gloves, and wipes. You can sell masks at the front desk for anyone who forgot theirs. And it's very important that people practice social distancing. This is the main tool we have right now. De-densifying can be scary at first, but when you break it down, it's not overwhelming. That word again. Take your layout, grab a 6-foot diameter, not radius, circle, and overlay it. We found that we were fine for offices and our 6x6 workstations. We had to remove about 30% of our dedicated desks and half our hot desks. Stuffed animals now have those seats. From an income standpoint, though, overall, the reduction is manageable. Think about traffic flow and try to lay out with tape or sticky feet a circular flow so you're minimizing people coming in face-to-face contact. In terms of airflow, you may want to step up the filters in your HVAC system to MERV 13. Opening windows where possible is a big help to move and remove stale air. And floor-standing HEPA filters are fairly reasonably priced. Be sure you buy ones that are not too loud. There are 3 main pieces of collateral you will have to create to communicate what you're doing. Remember, this is a marketing opportunity. First, your website. Please feel free to copy anything you want from ours. The link is there. Second, use the same information to send a message to your members so they are comfortable coming back. And lastly, think about the signs you want around your space, short and simple and friendly, so your members can quickly grasp what's expected of them, like wearing a mask when they walk around, not coming in if they feel the least bit sick, and putting their dishes in the dishwasher to protect others. And lastly, for those of you using Deskworks, or those of you who want to see it in action, with Network Checkin, you can let your members know that they can see how many people are in the space so they can come in when they feel the most comfortable. You are probably also letting them work 24/7 since you have the ability to monitor the center from anywhere. And you can also create a plan or a pass on the fly so that even if they are hot desking, they can reserve a space. And you can advertise that it will be disinfected when they walk in, another way you are protecting them and making them more comfortable. All of this is so that you can run your center and enjoy your members, and move to the next phase with as little stress as possible. Please know that we're here for you. We're not just software, we run centers too.